Hi, I'm Sean Weaver with Pantheon Sales and Rental, and I want to talk about the Diamatic PRM 16. It is a repair material that is, you don't have to add any bonding agent or any latex to, and it's self-priming, and it has a really good color. It matches the concrete really nice. It gets really hard, it's polishable, and it also takes dye, so you can stain it and it takes dye real nicely. This product here, what you do is you clean the holes out very, very well with a wire brush, and you put a little water in the hole, what they call SSD, surface saturation dry. So I recommend you can dab it with a, you can actually just do it with a paintbrush. You can do it with a towel. So that's how you prime the hole. Again, if there's puddle in the hole, that's too much water. You just want to make sure the hole is pre-wet, because what you don't want to do is put the material in there and the whole, the concrete sucks the moisture out of the repair. Okay, so it's priming it with water, and they call it surface saturation dry. Our product data sheet goes over that on our website. But great material. Yeah, within an hour, 2 hours, it's hard. A couple hours you can grind on it. It doesn't halo when you grind on it. Again, has a nice color. You can make the product a little thicker and ramp it. It's very versatile. The consistency is going to be pretty thick pancake butter or pancake, batter to put in the hole. And again, you can get it nice and thick, put it in with a putty knife, make it nice and flush, let it sit for a couple hours, and then just grind right over it with a machine. Again, one of the pro tips on this, something to remind everybody about. It has a lot of materials in here that can settle. So I always recommend, if it's been sitting on the shelf for a while, is to shake it, the dry powder in here, shake it a little bit real good, make sure it's shaked real good, because you're not going to use the whole product at once. So every time it sits for, probably more than a week or so, shake it up real good. And as you scoop it out and put your water in there, all the different powders are mixed up real nicely. And that way you get a consistent patch every time. PRM 16, you guys will love it. Great material, and product data sheets, SDS sheets are online with all our products, and we offer pillars of support here at Pantheon Sales and Rental. So again, if you guys have any questions at all, give us a call. We're here to help. Thank you.